Let's take a look here now at Google Sheets scenario 4. In this scenario, Fidencio is a science teacher setting up groups for his weekly RTI. So he has some average scores here from some recent assessments, and he wants to be able to quickly look at this data and then assign kids to an RTI group. So to do this, he's going to need to use data validation. So what he wants to be able to do is assign students here in the column G here next to the average scores, so he can quickly at a glance see which groups each kid will belong to. So what he's going to do here is first select all the cells next to their average scores, and then we're going to come up here to data. We're going to go do data validation, and what we're going to do, so is the range that we've selected are already right there. Now we're to the criteria. We're going to select list of items. This will allow me to put a drop-down menu in each of these cells here. So I'm going to go ahead and hit list of items, and then I'm going to put, it says here, enter items separated by comma, my RTI groups here. So one of them will be intervention, one called extra practice, and then another one we'll call enrichment. Save. And now you'll see that there is a now drop-down menu in each one here. So I'm going to base on the scores here. So the criteria for this one, for this sample, would be that anybody below 70 is going to be will be in the intervention group. Anybody between 70 and 80, we're going to put here as extra practice. Anybody 80 above will be in the enrichment group. So we're going to go here, and I just keep selecting from my drop-down menu. Here's one for enrichment. We have an intervention, another intervention, extra practice, enrichment, and intervention. So a very quick and easy way to alleviate a pain point when it comes to setting up students with RTI groups. Very quickly and easily help you categorize them. And then from here, if you really want to have a quick look at them, we can click here, and then we can go to sort sheet from A to Z, and then it'll put them all together. You can see all the groups horizontally here, all the names, and you can then color code these here. Each group different kind of categories here, so we have another way to really have a nice visual of which group, which students belong in which RTI groups.